got the bikes on Mike's car. We're headed to Apex right now. He's got his R3 and I got my brand new Cup bike. I'm going to be racing it for the first, well, when I say racing it, I'm going to be tracking it for the first time at Apex. I've never been to this track before, and I've never raced a race. Once again, I said race. And I've never tracked a Cup bike before, so it's going to be a new thing for both of us, and it should be pretty fun. So I'll update you guys as we go along. It's almost like we live here. We got bags here, gloves here, all our stuff, jacket, chairs, camera equipment. So this is what you can expect from riding a track day. And of course the bikes. Let's not forget about the bikes. We used to base on you and me. We used to base on you and me. It should amazing track day event. Everything went well. Everything was successful. Nobody crashed. And RC is going back home in one piece, so I'm definitely excited about that. All right, so it was awesome, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.